Good day everyone! I am here in front of you to discuss about exponential function. What is all about this topic? There are laws under exponential function. Number 1. Product of the exponent where a raised to the x times a raised to the y is equals to a raised to the x plus y. Number 2. Power of the product where ab raised to the power of x is equals to a raised to the power of x b raised to the power of x. Number 3. Power of the power where a raised to the power of x raised to the power of y is equal to a raised to the power of x times y. Number 4. Quotient of the power where a raised to the power of x over a raised to the power of y is equal to a raised to the power of x minus 1. Number 5. Power of the quotient where a over b raised to the power of x is equal to a raised to the power of x over b raised to the power of x. 6. Zero of the exponent where a raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. And last, number 7. Negative exponent where a raised to the power of negative x is equals to 1 over a raised to the power of x.
Hancho!
Exponent number 1. Product of the power. First, I will give you the formula. A to the power of x times a to the power of y is equals to a to the power of x plus y. Example. Two to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 is equals to 2 to the power of 5. Or 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4, then times 2 is equals to 8, times 2 is equals to 16, then times 2 is equals to 32. Then the final answer is 32.
Exponent number 2. Power of the product. The formula is quantity AB raised to the power of x is equals to, we must distribute the exponent x to our base. So a raised to the power of x, b raised to the power of x. Example, 2a raised to the power of 2 is equals to, we must distribute our exponent to our base. So the answer is 2 raised to the power of 2, a raised to the power of 2. Solve for the 2, or 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Copy the other base. A raised to the power of 2. This is the final answer. Exponent number 3. Power of the power. The formula is a raised to the power of x raised to the power of y is equals to a raised to the power of x times y. Example, 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by raised to the power of 2 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 2 times 2, or 2 raised to the power of 4. Then solve for the 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4, times 2 is equals to 8, times 2 is equals to 16. So this is our answer now, 16. Exponent number 4. Quotient of the power. The formula is a raised to the power of x over a raised to the power of y is equals to a raised to the power of x minus y. Example, a raised to the power of 5 over a raised to the power of 3 is equals to a raised to the power of 5 minus 3, or equals to a raised to the power of 5 minus a is equals to 2. This is our final answer.
Law of exponent number 5. Power of the quotient. The formula is quantity A over B raised to the power of x is equal to A raised to the power of x over B to the power of x. For example, quantity A over B raised to the power of 3 is equal to A raised to the power of 3 over B to the power of 3.
So, our final answer is a raised to the power of b.
So our final answer is A raised to the power of 3 over B raised to the power of 3. Of the exponent number 6, which is 0 of the exponent. The formula is A raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. For example, 5 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. And x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. And we should always remember that any number that is raised to 0 is already or always equal to 1. So, this is the last law of exponent, which is the negative exponent. So, the formula of this is A raised to the power of negative x is equal to 1 over A raised to the power of x. For example, A raised to the power of negative 5 is equal to 1 over A raised to the power of 5. Our next example is 2 raised to the power of negative 4 is equal to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 4. And we need to simplify it, which is 1 over 16. So, that is the final answer. Hey guys! For now, we must talk about the partner of an exponential function, which is the logarithm function. The formula of a logarithm function is ax equals to y, or log ay is equal to x, or vice versa. So, we have two kinds of logarithm. The first one is common logarithm, which has a formula of log x equals to log 10x. Second is natural logarithm, which has a formula of log x is equal to ln x. There are rules of logarithm. The first one is the product of logarithm, where log a quantity x times y is equal to log ax plus log ay. The second is quotient rule of logarithm, which has a formula of log a and quantity a. So number 2 is the quotient of the logarithm, where log a quantity x over y is equal to log a x minus log ay. So the third rule is the power rule of logarithm, which is log a x to the power of y is equal to y times log a x.
Huncho!
Rule number 1 in finding logarithm function. Product rule formula is log a quantity x times y is equals to log a x plus log a y. Example, log 5 plus log 6 is equals to log 5 times 6 equals to log 5 times 6 is equals to 30. So this is our final answer, log 30.
So this is the rule number 2, which is quotient rule of logarithm. The formula for this logarithm is log a quantity x over y is equal to log a x minus log a y. So, for example, log 2a minus log 2 is equal to x, and log 2 8 over 2 is equal to x, and log 2 4 is equal to x again. The next step is to 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 4, and then x is equal to 2. Our final answer is 2.
Rule of logarithm number 3. The formula is log a x raised to the power of y is equals to transfer the exponent y into the front is equals to y times log ax. Example, log 10 equals log 10 raised to the power of 8 is equals to 8 times log 10 is equals to 8 times 1 is equals to 8. And this is the final answer.